Yeah, so hi. I wanted to show you how to make trap beats using Caustic. So yeah, let's begin. I think I'm going to look for a string. You know, um, let's set our beats per minute to 140. Yeah. Now we can start. We can start making our beats. So, I'm going to repeat this over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all of this. I'm going to copy so that we have this four-bar loop going like. I think I need to add something to the end to make some like variation or something. So I want to look for something jumpy, like some keys, some maybe a pluck. I don't know. Let's see. Come on, you know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this instrument I normally have. I think I'm going to add a delay because I'm feeling the first instrument was a little bit not it. So we have. I'm starting to feel the melody a little bit, so let me see what if I can add. I really don't know what I want to. I think maybe a bass. Let's try adding a bass. Mm, something like. Take it down one octave. It's really a dope melody. If you ask me, I love it. Now I think what I'm going to do with this melody, I'm going to take these two parts, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to export it. I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to save it. Look, I don't even have a name for this beat. I'm going to save it loop. I'm going to export it just like that loop, and then I'm going to import it back. Let's take a CM set. I'm going to import the loop that I have exported. Loop. Then it's like. Going to normalize it. Then I'm going to reverse it. I kind of like it reversed. It sounds dope. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend this to 4. Then I'm going to take it to pattern. So I pitch the melodies two semitones up, and it's like this.